Welcome to another video on my fischertechnik hydraulic set with on this side a manually operated part and here an automated operated part connected to the rubber interface and via wires controlling a rubber band with a photosensor controlled it. And last time I added this part with which I can fix the piston. Hydraulics in this case works with demineralized water, and I ended last time with finding that I still had one piston left. What can I do with it? Well, there's not only this one left, but like this one I have to fix it somewhere in order to be effective. So let's go see what I can do with it, and eventually perhaps also with automation, but who knows. First, adding some parts so this is fixed. So now I have fixed this piston to this whole system with the pivot, but now when I operate it, not much going on. Let me take this off. That's a much nicer idea. And question is this because of there's nothing in it, or because this one is only connected by one by one leg, so to say. Another point is I don't have any platforms of this anymore. I'm out of material, so let's try to fix this anyway somehow. A little bit more stable, so to say, right here. So I have stabilized it now, kind of. So let's check. It is not quite the same, I have to say. Is it here the same? Yes. But here it doesn't do anything, not quite the way. Here is a huge amount of air. This one is completely down. Let me push this piston completely to the end. More than half of the piston is air. That's not good. It should be a lot more, at least 75%, at least 80% I think. So that also explains the bad response, although now it responds quite nicely. But the dragging, is not good. So another refill with water is due, because I want it to operate nicely. And how to do it with this one I still have to find out. Alright, so now I completely filled this one, connected it, and with these two empty, trying again. And this is the movement, at least at this side, that I want. And this would be ideal. So now this kind of works, and this is the source of the water. How to continue? Let's first check if this still works. So with this part kind of done, let's go to the computer side with the software. And with the screencast for software operation, needless to say that this is the Python written software terminal to start it, and camera pointed at the controller operated side, and I have to choose Python 2, full speed, and also in this part there is a large chunk of large piece of air in it. Which I don't like. And now you can see here that the piston does not go to the end, so I have to refill this part as well. But it kind of functions. And you see that this piston is staying. No, you don't, because you're looking from the top. So I will lower the camera and show again. Right, different point and angle of the camera, and now you can see here how it does not get entirely to the end, which is here. It comes about halfway. So at this point it blocks the light, and with the fluid level empty now, you see how much air there is. And air doesn't suck, water does. And I mean it completely normally, as in suck it empty and stay close, because gas has that property while fluid doesn't. So while it works, it doesn't operate quite as nice. It doesn't work quite as nice, unfortunately. Okay, what to do next? Well, basically expanding this part somehow, but first fill it with water, and that may get to be a problem, because I would need a hose. And while I do have a part of hose left, it's not that much, so that may become a problem in my next ideas. Alright, now I have filled this one with water, connected to this piston. So now, and I haven't tried it out yet, with this one still fixed, how does this one work? Okay, not convincingly, I should say. Because I know by trying that this one does work. So, aha. It kind of works. with a massive delay I would add. And I think that's due to this flexibility. So that should be the idea, but it very clearly is not. And the idea with automation is that I would have some light switch here, just like I have on this part, which in turn operates some kind of motor here or whatever. But as long as this doesn't really work, that is not going to happen, not likely, unfortunately. It was a nice idea though. How to get it right? That's not a question. So with the new hydraulic part, which doesn't quite work out yet, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or IBAN, and you can also become a patron. And thanks to my patron, which is mentioned on my website. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a nice day, take care, bye.